In this video I am going to do this detail here. You can see I don't know what is this exactly, so let's do this. So I'm going to Maya here. Let's go to side view, and here you can see I just deleted that. Is I kind of like this top round design, so that's why, but it's up to you. You can keep that hard edge. Okay, so let's do this. Let's go to side view, and here I'm going to add an edge loop. So let's go to insert edge loop, and this is an symmetrical design. This design is on that side as well, so the opposite side. So I'm going to do one side, then we're going to mirror it because this part is symmetrical. So let's add an edge loop here. So I'm putting an edge loop somewhere here, just offsetting a little bit, and let's arrange these vertices here. Again I'm offsetting a little bit somewhere here like this, and let's position it, and then let's move all these things a little bit here, like offsetting again, something like this. Let's move a little bit here. Yeah, now I just need to extrude all these faces, maybe till here, maybe, let's see. And yeah, so I'm going to extrude all these faces here. So let's extrude, and this time I'm going to offset it a little bit, and this offset would be that shape. Okay, just offset a little bit more so that it matches roughly. Okay, good. Then I'm going to add some edge loops here so that this here it match. So let's go and add some edge loop here. So let's add a single edge loop now, and let's go and arrange this vertices here somewhere. You can see this round shape, and now let's arrange all these vertices roughly. So here I can use my component mode to adjust all these vertices. So I'm going to adjust like this. Let's adjust all these vertices here. Okay, something like this. And now we're going to actually extrude. Let's select all these faces. So now I'm going to extrude it, and again I'm going to offset it a little bit to hold the shape, so very tight offset. Then again extrude by press G to repeat it. So now I'm going to put that inside. So let's move. Now I'm going to move it like this, and you can see I need to adjust a lot here. So let's move. I don't want any hard edge here, so let's move here. So let's try smoothing it. You can see I have some design going on there, but it's not exactly like this. So let's go to this view. I just need to push all these things inside there, I believe. Just push. I think I need to push all these as well. So it's kind of a cylinder here, if you can imagine. It's just kind of cylinder is subtracted, something like that. Okay, like this, something like this, but there is a deep line here, but I don't want that. So we just need to move these two edges in their local direction like this, so that it looks smooth here. The transition looks smooth. Okay, so now it looks good, but here again I got some problem. I may need to move this out a bit. So you need to look at from odd angles like this to find some wrong thing, and let's put this a little bit down there roughly. You can see now we have something good looking. Let's move this. Okay, so now it looks good. So yeah, so in the next video I'm going to work on these details. You can see the grip details, small grip, square details. So we are going to do that in the next video.